our next topic is how to graph the given linear equation in two variables. Okay, given the slope-intercept form. Okay, class, when we say slope-intercept form, so it can be written in the form of y is equal to mx plus b, where m is what we call the, what is m? M is our slope. Very good. And how to find the slope? So we can use the ratio of its rise to its run. So this is the format on how to find the slope. And what is B? B is our, what is B? B is the y-intercept. How to get the y-intercept? Yung topic natin kanina, x and y-intercept. How to get the y-intercept? Let x is equal to 0. So meaning, to get the y-intercept, so this is the pattern, 0, b. Kung ano yung number dito, yun yung magiging format natin. Okay, ang ating abscissa ay 0, and then yung b mo, just copy the given constant. Okay, so this time let us try an example. Okay, so our given is, we have 5/2, and the given y-intercept is 2. Okay, this is the given, the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, step 1, to graph the given slope and the y-intercept, step 1, we need to plot the given y-intercept. Okay, to find the y-intercept, let x is equal to 0. So, magiging ano po siya? 0, 2. Ito na yung pattern natin. First, you need to plot the given y-intercept using a Cartesian plane. Start from the origin. What is the abscissa? 0. Aalis ka ba sa origin? No na. Opposite na tayo kay ordinate. Ano yung ordinate natin? 2. Positive. Where's the direction?
Right.
Positive 2.
Right.
Ordinate na yan, anak. Ordinate. Up or down? Up na. Class, yung unang number, right or left. Pangalawa, up or down. O ano yung abscissa? 0. Hindi ka aalis. Ano yung ordinate? 2. Up, down. Up. So, we have 1, 2. So, therefore, this is the location of the y-intercept. Okay, our step 2 is, okay, so start tayo sa, dito na tayo mag-start sa location ng ating y-intercept. So, we need to find the second point using the slope. Again, to find the slope, we can use rise over run. Tandaan, sa rise, if the direction is going upward, the sign is positive. Kapag going downward, negative. Ang run naman natin, kapag going to the right, positive. Very good. Going to the left, negative. So, ito yung susundin natin na format. Okay. So, start na tayo dito sa ating y-intercept. What is the slope? 5/2. What is rise? Positive 5. The direction is? Up or down? Up. How many times? 5. Okay, bilang tayo. Dito na ako mag-start sa y-intercept. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what is run? 2. The direction is? Going to the?
Right.
Okay, 2 times. 1, 2. Therefore, this is the location of the second point. Then after that, last step, connect the 2 points using a straight line. So therefore, this is the graph of slope, or given a slope and the y-intercept. Question. Okay, now, what if the given is equation? So we have y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. So our given is an equation that written in slope-intercept form. So if the given is like this, first step, you need to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Based on the given, what is the slope? Okay, pag sinabi nating slope, ito yung number na katabi ni x, meaning hindi kasama si x. Anong number yun? Negative 3. And what is the y-intercept? 4. Okay. Okay. Then after that, next step is, identify the y-intercept. 0, 4. Kung mapapansin nyo, class, ang ating slope ay negative 3. At the same time, may denominator bang nakita? Meaning, ang ating slope ay whole number. Kapag whole number, ano kaya ang denominator? Very good. Laging may 1 sa baba. Okay, meaning kapag ang ating slope ay whole number, lalagyan mo lang ng 1 sa baba para magkaroon tayo ng run. Do you understand? Now, let us plot na. Plot the given y-intercept. Start from the origin. What is the abscissa? Aalis ba? Mag-right or left ka ba? No. What is the ordinate? Where's the direction? Upward. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is the location of the y-intercept. So, from here, what is the slope? Negative 3. If the slope or if the rise is negative, the direction is downward. How many times? 3. So, we have 1, 2, 3. And what is run? Positive, negative. The direction is going to the right. And then 1. So, therefore, this is the location of the second point. What is the last step? Connect the 2 points using a straight line. Okay, any question? Naintindihan ko?